again. Today we're going to be pouring some magical multicoloured tea, and then you're going to have a go at reading the tea leaves, and that's going to help you to practice reading your tricky words. So let's pour the tea. It requires a little bit of shaking, this tea. I'm going to use my arm muscles. I've already spilt some, look. You watch carefully. Oh, there's some more coming out. Let those muscles work. Oh, there was a blue bit and a green bit. Oh, two green bits. I can still hear. Oh dear, I wasn't very good at aiming those in the cup, was I? Oh, I think that's all of it. Let's pick up the bits that fell on the floor. We'll put those in the cup. So now we have some magical multicoloured tea, and you're going to have a go at reading the tea leaves. So you'll get 1 point for each word you get right. So let's have a look at the first tea leaf. Let's check the word on here. You tell me what that says. Mouse, mouse. So 1 point if you got that one right. Here's the next tea leaf. Got a green one. Do you know what that says? That's eyes, eyes. So give yourself a point if you got that one right. Here's the next one. Should we have another green one? What does this word say? This is laughed, laughed. So give yourself a point if you got that one right. So that's 3 tea leaves so far. Let's have another green one. What does this say? Oh, we had that one a minute ago. That says eyes, eyes. So give yourself a point if you got that one. Here's the next one. What does this say? Through, through. Let's have a blue one. Tell me what that says. Again. Give yourself a point if you got that one right. Let's have a pink one. This one says, oh, bit like one we just had just a minute ago, not quite the same. What does that say? Ought, thought. Let's have a blue one. I'll turn it the right way up. This one says N-E-N-E. Let's have another pink one. What does this one say? Ought, water. Hope you're keeping account of your score. This is the next one. What does that say? Ooh, hoo. Point if you got that one right. Let's have another green one. Oh, I think we might have had that one earlier on. What does that say? Ought, thought. Give yourself a point if you got that one right. Let's have a blue one. This one says laughed, laughed. Let's have a pink one. What does this one say? Friends, friends. I'm going to choose a green one. I think we might have had this one before as well. What does this one say? Through, through. Only a few left. Let's have a pink one. This one says once, once. And a blue one. What does this one say? If, diff, differ, ent, different. Give yourself a point if you got that one right. Oh, got a few left. Let's have a green one. What does this one say? Me, mini. Let's have a blue one. This one says B-E-B-K or S, course, because. Let's have a green one. Only a few left. So this one says, oh, we had that one earlier. Eyes. And a pink one. This one says, I think we just had that one. Course, because. Probably say because. And a green one. This one says, oh, we've had that one before. Hoo. There's 2 tea leaves left. Let's try this one. This one says please. And the last one, what does this one say? We had that one earlier. Water. So let's count up the tea leaves and see how many points you could have got. 1, 2, you can count. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. There's 2 there. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and I think we might have missed this one out. What does that one say? Work. So that would give you 24. So see if you manage to get all 24 of them right. If not, you can watch the video again and you can have another try at reading the words and see if you can get closer to a score of 24. So that was our lovely magical multicoloured cup of tea. Enjoy.